Today I am reviewing the Dreame Aero Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a smarter, faster, and more efficient way to clean your floors without juggling multiple tools, the Dreame Aero Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Mop is designed to simplify your entire cleaning routine. Right from the start, what makes this device stand out is its all-in-one functionality. Instead of vacuuming first and then mopping afterward, the Aero Pro does both at the same time. With powerful suction, it can handle dry debris like dust, crumbs, and pet hair, while also cleaning wet spills in a single pass. This not only saves time, but also makes cleaning feel much more efficient, especially in busy households. The suction power here is impressive. With up to 25 kilopascals of suction, it's more than capable of handling everyday messes as well as tougher cleaning situations. Whether you're dealing with kitchen spills, muddy footprints, or pet hair scattered across your floors, it picks everything up with ease. The ability to clean both wet and dry messes simultaneously makes it incredibly versatile. One of the standout features, especially for pet owners, is the TangleCut 2.0 system. Hair tangling is a common issue with many vacuums, but this system actively cuts and removes hair for the brush roll. That means no more stopping mid-clean to untangle hair manually. It's a huge convenience, particularly if you have pets or long hair in your household. The design is another major highlight. At just 3.88 inches thin, the Aero Pro is ultra-slim and capable of lying completely flat. This allows it to reach under furniture like sofas, beds, and cabinets, areas that are often difficult to clean with traditional vacuums. It glides smoothly into tight spaces, ensuring that dust and debris don't get left behind in hard-to-reach spots. Cleaning performance is further improved by its dual-tank system. The vacuum keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring that you're always cleaning with fresh water. This prevents streaks and avoids spreading dirty water across your floors, which is a common issue with less advanced mop systems. The result is a cleaner, more hygienic finish every time. Maintenance is where this device really shines. After you're done cleaning, the Aero Pro takes care of itself with a full-path hot self-cleaning system. It uses high-temperature water to thoroughly clean the roller and internal components, removing dirt and bacteria. Then, it uses hot air to dry everything in just a few minutes. This prevents odors, keeps the system hygienic, and ensures it's always ready for the next use. It's a true set-it-and-forget-it experience. Battery life is another strong point. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, you can clean large areas without needing to recharge. The 1,000 milliliters water tank also means fewer interruptions for refilling, making it ideal for whole home cleaning sessions. Whether you're doing a quick cleanup or a full deep clean, it has the capacity to keep up. In terms of usability, the Aero Pro is designed to be simple and intuitive. It's easy to maneuver, even for extended periods, and the slim design makes it feel lightweight and balanced. This is important for a device that combines both vacuuming and mopping, as it ensures you don't feel fatigued during longer cleaning sessions. For households with pets, kids, or high-foot traffic, this vacuum mop can make a noticeable difference. It reduces the time and effort needed to keep floors clean while delivering consistent results. Instead of switching between tools or spending extra time on stubborn messes, you can handle everything in one go. Of course, like any advanced cleaning device, it comes at a higher price compared to basic vacuums or mops. But considering the time it saves, the convenience it offers, and the advanced features it includes, it's a worthwhile investment for those who want a more efficient cleaning solution. Overall, the Dreame Aero Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Mop is a powerful, intelligent, and highly convenient cleaning tool. It combines strong suction, advanced mopping, self-cleaning technology, and a user-friendly design into one complete package. If you want a faster, smarter way to keep your floors spotless without the hassle of multiple devices, this is easily one of the best all-in-one solutions available today.